Monarch Cove Inn, where we are spending one night before we go whale watching tomorrow. Right off the back of the Monarch Cove Inn, very near the ocean. Aha! The Pacific Ocean. We found it. There it is.
Where's Doug?
There is a bathroom on the boat, thankfully. It's located downstairs. Now, marine restrooms are small rooms, so it's best not to use it if you can, because small spaces can trigger seasickness if you're prone to it, but it is there if you need it. The Monterey Submarine Canyon cuts right down the center of the bay and leads here into Moss Landing. On average, it's a mile deep, and it extends over 100 miles offshore, where its deepest point is located, of about 11,800 feet, making the canyon larger than the Grand Canyon. In the springtime, with a combination of the spring winds and the Coriolis effect, or the rotation of the Earth, surface water gets pushed offshore and gets replaced by the cold, nutrient-rich water from the depths of the canyon. Sea lions, they're actually in the weasel family. They use their extremely dense fur to keep themselves warm, as opposed to blubber.
So this little humpback is coming right towards us. Gave the kayakers quite a awesome look there too.
Ja, ich mach die ganze Zeit Fotos.
Okay, awesome guys. So that whale's down. I see how the sea lions are frantic right there about two. Keep your eye on that area and I'll tell you a little bit more about them. There we go. There we go. We do know that some of our folks working on photo ID projects here, Joe, there's sometimes 400, 600 whales might even pass through this area. So sea lions are up frantically again, so whales should come up shortly. There we go. Whale's very active, showing its head numerous times. We do know that this population of humpback whales is around 3,000 animals. And the reason why I say our population is because we split them up by where they feed and where they give birth. Once again, ours can choose anywhere along the west coast of the U.S. to feed. A lot of the animals come here because of that canyon.
Boy, look how close that kayaker is. He's right in the middle of them.